Hello beauties, welcome again to When the Style. Happy weekend to you all. My returning subscribers, welcome again to When the Styles. I have those beautiful top parts and mini afro short haircuts for beautiful black women. And if you're a lover of good hair and you really want something that is extremely fashionable, you are in the right place, because we have carefully selected some beautiful stylish short haircuts that will really suit your personal style. And this haircut, you can see they are really up to date, because they not only go with the fashion, but they will always go with the entire character of those ladies you're seeing on the screen. I love this color, this orange color and oxblood. You can see sometimes you can just add some mixtures of colors on your hair to make you look bold and to make you look elegant. You can see, oh, at least you can see how great and elegant this beautiful hair color is on this woman's haircut. And one thing about the style is that it's one of the latest styles and trendy haircuts that have this limitless styling options for beautiful black women, with short hair. So you can opt for this kind of versatile short haircuts, that will always feature your short coils. Just try to look for this kind of hairstyle that will match your personality best and will always bring out your beautiful features. So I would like you guys to please just check out the styles we have for you. Check my description box on how you can get the link to get the coil products used to achieve this beautiful haircut. Indeed, nothing says edgy and stylish like this beautiful short haircut. Just jazz up those beautiful coily haircut. I love the perfect platinum. You can see sometimes adding color will not only complement your black hair, but it will always complement your skin tone as well. So you can see, just take a good look on the rest of the styles we have for you, because you're not going to regret watching this video to the end, because this is just a chic way for you to show off your personal style. If you really want that little edgy but still feminine look, watch this video to the end, because with the luscious coils you're seeing on the screen, you will definitely want to go for the big job. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and still like to wear the styles for more beautiful short haircuts coming your way. God bless you guys, and see you guys in my next video.
What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it has been you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it has been you. I need you. Now waiting you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Waiting you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. Coco, what have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't jazz again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it has been you. I need you. I not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg delete me. What do you want believe if you don't believe me? I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Now wait till you want believe if you know believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg delete me. Wait till you want believe if you know believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Now wait till you want believe if you know believe me.